Hi everyone, in this video we'll be learning how to find a basis of a span of a set of column vectors. So previously we've learned how to find the basis for the span of a set of row vectors. So now, sorry about this, so we are given a set of column vectors. So initially we learned how to find the basis for the span of a set of row vectors. So now we will learn how to find for column vectors. So these are examples of column vectors. So this is vector 1, vector 2, and vector 3 with the entries here. And after this, based on these entries here, so we label as A1, A2 all the way to AM, and this one B1, B2 all the way to the M column, M row here, and also for this. So we can do a Gauss method and we get this. So A1, A2 all the way is here, B1, B2 all the way is here, all the way until final one which is here. And then we will turn the columns into rows temporarily. So we will temporarily transpose those matrix and we will reduce it to a reduced row echelon form. And we collect together all the rows with leading entries. And after that, we turn the rows back into columns. And sorry, this is step 6. So the basis will then be the collection of columns. So let's do an example of how to find the basis for the set of a span of column vectors. Let me tidy this up first. Hold on a moment, let me finish this. I'm almost done. So now we are given these 3 column vectors. 1, 2, 1. Another one is 3, 1, minus 1. And the last column vector is 1, minus 3, minus 3. So now, step 1, we apply our Gaussian method. So we can write in this form. So the matrix is first, this is the first column matrix 1, 2, 1. And the second column matrix is 3, 1, minus 1. Last one is 1, minus 3, minus 3. So step 1 done. Now step 2, we transpose the matrix. It means we change the columns into rows. So now is the column 1 to 1 will become row. So 1 to 1. This second one here is 3, 1 minus 1, and the last one is 1 minus 3 minus 3. So now this is our row 1 for the transpose matrix, the temporarily transpose matrix, and row 2 and row 3. So now step 3, reduce to reduce row echelon form. So now from here you want to eliminate the entry in the first column for below 1, which is 3 and 1. So minus 3 times of row 1 plus row 2, and also to eliminate the 1 entry here, you minus 1 times of row 1 plus row 3. So what do we get first? So our first row is constant, 1 to 1. Now let's see how the second row goes. So minus 3 times 1 equals to minus 3, minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. And for this, minus 3 times 2 equals to minus 6, minus 6 plus 1 equals to minus 5. And for this, it's minus 3 times minus 1 equals to minus 3, minus 3 minus 1 equals to minus 4. And for the third row, so it's minus 1 plus 1 equals to 0. And for this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 2, minus 3 equals to minus 5. And now for this is minus 1, minus 3 equals to minus 4. And now from here, this is our new row 1, new row 2, and new row 3. So now we can eliminate the entries below minus 5 here to 0. So that this will be 0. So hence minus row 2, add minus 1 times of row 2, add to row 3. So it's 1, 2, 1, 0, minus 5, minus 4. And for this, it will go to 0. So minus times minus 5 equals to 5, 5 minus 5 equals to 0. And this will also go to 0. So from here, we can see that the system is already in echelon form. So sorry about my earlier part, it should be in echelon form so that we can find the basis, because we want to keep the first row and we'll convert it to column. So now step 4. Step 4 here, to identify the rows with the leading entry. So this is the leading entry 1 and minus 5. So row 1 and row 2 have leading entries. So now we transpose back those column 1 into row into column. So step 5 is, so the rows are first 1, 2, 1 and 0, minus 5 minus 4. So let's transpose it back. So it's 1, 2, 1 and 0 minus 5 minus 4. So step 6, the basis, we can write it as put this. So it's 1, 2, 1, 0 minus 5 minus 4. So this is our basis. So if we have already come to the end of this lesson, if you have any questions, please feel free to drop me a comment and I will reply to your comment. And you can also take a look at my previous videos if you have any queries. Thanks so much for watching and have a nice day.